guys?
Yeah, what's up, guys? We're gonna check out the new Animal Company update. They added, it's an Easter update. So let's go.
Bro, look at the chicken monster.
I think they actually added bunny ears to him. Pretty cool.
Well, let's go to chicken monster.
Okay.
Get these stuff. Anyways, let's go. Whee!
Okay. Yeah, and they also removed the lava, guys.
Well, now we're here.
Okay, so let's go.
Uh-oh. What? What the hell?
Oh no. Yeah. Oh no, run.
He's coming after you.
Yeah, run! I'm grappling. What? What? No way! Guys! Bro, they added Armstrong! Oh my gosh, let's go! Yeah, let's go! They actually added it back!
Cluster grenade.
Bro, this is so W, guys. Oh, yeah.
Wait!
So
Oh my god!
Yo,
it's amazing!
Bro! What? It's amazing, guys! This is a crazy Animal Company update. And bro, we got the OG. We got the OG, like the buy
a cardboard box.
Okay, but we got the OG buy things where like you bought stuff with this. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Oh wait,
I think cardboard box.
Yeah, that's very cool. But I'm pretty sure this thing shows you where to go. So I'm just gonna.
That doesn't.
It shows the arrow.
It's just a camera. Where do we start?
I do.
Oh, I'm pretty sure this is where we start.
Okay. Put this
Let's
in
go.
my backpack.
We go over here.
Okay, let me get this. There. This is a crazy update, guys. They actually bring back Armstrong King.
A button. What does that do? Nothing.
Yeah, it's the. That.
Oh my god!
He has bunny ears. No!
Hit up!
No! Bruh. No, we died, guys. Bruh.
I already got a backpack.
Okay.
Where's your backpack, dude? Oh,
It was right there, like this. Let's go.
let's go. Let's hope I don't die again.
Yeah. You know what? I'm pretty sure the buns released the chicken, so it's not press the bun. But yeah. This is a crazy update, guys. But when this video gets up,
We're heading where the chicken is.
Okay.
Let's go back.
Okay.
I forgot where we were. Are we lost?
Oh no.
Wait, let's just release the chicken.
Okay.
Button, where are you?
Yeah, where are you, button? I'm not scared.
Oh, there's one.
Let's release the chicken.
But where is he?
I don't know. I mean, I gotta press this button. Oh, he's here. He's here.
Ah!
Oh no! No! No!
Look up! Run!
Okay. No! Bruh! Of course! I'll try and come
Look up.
back. I died.
Oh, bro, you're in call. You're in call.
I'm in app. Look.
Yeah, but you were in call for just
Yeah,
a
I know.
second. Let's go get the Easter eggs.
Okay. Well, guys, they added Easter eggs. Okay.
You can't collect them, but you can get the eggs.
Okay, that's him. Let's go.
Let's go. They're in the mines.
Okay.
Well, now we're here.
Bangor, haven't seen you. Oh no. Gold. Okay. I'm gonna get some gold. I like company coins. Very good. Oh, looks company. Okay.
There's some lava crystals, Luca.
Okay. That's cool.
Another research point, bro. How much research points am I getting?
Bruh. Bruh! Oh my god.
Luca. Luca?
Bro, my tracking sucks. It literally, like, I hit something and then like, I stopped and then I died.
I'm just gonna die.
Well, guys, that'll be the end of the video, but that's actually crazy.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye. But
Yeah.
it's actually crazy they added Armstrong Cave back. That's actually really nostalgic. But yeah, it's really cool. But anyway, guys, bye.